Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, I would like to talk about train in Malaysia. First of all, let me tell you what the meaning of train. Train is a series of connected vehicles that run along a railway track and transport people. Year by year, train was being evolved from wagonways to steam until now, train were powered by diesel and electric. Now, in Malaysia, there were many kinds of a train. So today, I will talk a little bit about some of train in Malaysia. So, let's go. First is light rapid transit or LRT. There are two types of operational system in light rapid transit. One, it used as the major public transport system in the Klang Valley, while another act as an automated people mover at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport to ferry passengers from the main terminal building. The LRT system consists of three lines, which are Kelana Jaya Line, Ampang Line, and Sri Petaling Line. Like Rapid Transit or LRT was a driverless automatic system, which means there were no driver. Pretty cool, right? So, let's go to number 2. Number 2 is Express Rail Link. The Express Rail Link Sdn Bhd is a company that owns and operates the airport rail link of the same name that connect the Kuala Lumpur International Airport or KLIA with the Kuala Lumpur Central or KL Central. Express Rail Link was the one of Malaysia's two fastest rail link between Kuala Lumpur and the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The top speed of this train can be 176 km per hour. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 is Mass Rapid Transit. In December 2010, the government approved the implementation of an MRT project and announced preliminary plans for the first line from Sungai Buloh to Kajang through 35 stations. The line, known as Kajang Line, will pass through the city centre and will serve suburban areas such as Kota Damansara, Damansara Utama, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, Ceras, Bandar Tun Hussein On, Balakong, and many more. The Kajang Line entered full operation services on July 2017. So, number 4 is monorail. Monorail was one of Malaysia's major system for public transport in Kuala Lumpur. It is running from Titiwangsa in the north of centre Kuala Lumpur to KL Central, just to the south of the city centre. The KL monorail line is the 8th rail transit line and it has 11 stations. It is operated by Rapid Rail, one of subsidiary of Prasarana Malaysia. If you see the line in the map, KL monorail line is colored by light green and the train was number 8. Number 5. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad or KTMB. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad, or being called by Malayan Railways Limited, is the main rail operator in Peninsular Malaysia. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu are also previously known as a Federal Malay Seated Railways or FMSR in the Malayan Railway Administration or MRA. But Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad acquired its current name in 1962. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad Railway network consists of two main lines, which are East Coast Line and West Coast Line. And also, there are several branch lines from these two lines. So I think that's all from me.